There are two marks inside, max and max. So the difference is, one, you do it without the spring like this. You can fill it up to the top because there is not going to be much foam and it's not going to eventually float. But you can also fill it to the max bottom one with the spring attached. So I'm going to attach the spring. Like this. So this spring is detachable, you can remove it or put it on like a little bush. You'll have it now installed. So we're going to place it inside. And now you should fill in the milk just to the first mark. Just like that. If it is too cold, you can put it in a glass cup and microwave it. That's also gonna help. But we don't want it that warm, so it's gonna be enough just to warm it up on the machine directly. Then we place it in here. Once we do that, press the button. And then it's gonna turn red, which means it's gonna warm it up. You can see it's stirring it inside, and until it's ready, place the mug here, and we're gonna open this one and place in the pot. I like those pots. It's the cream, it's the caramel cream, creamy, then close this flat, and you can either press the small espresso or the bigger top. I'll press this one over here. Okay, the milk is done. It's turned off and you can remove it. Open up the lid. See, it's nice, warm, with lots of foam. And that's why you should never fill it up till the end or to the upper marker when you have the spring attached. Okay. Lots of foam. I have those little ceramic spoons. I got them from Amazon. Nice. Just kind of stir up. I think it's ready.
You just put it on this little attachment here and you press it once and it'll start to froth your milk. It's so simple. If you press it twice or press and hold it, it'll turn blue, so you can do a cold froth. And then you just open this lever up, put a coffee pod in there. This is one of the originals. Press down, and then you can do a short or a long, and I'll just press and do a long. And I have to choose which one I want to do, so I'm going to do it again. And so I'll put a coffee cup there. There's one problem. If I put it here, it's not big enough for a regular coffee cup, so you have to put it down below. So we'll wait for it to start making. The crema on top is so nice. It just does a beautiful job. You can also use your flavors, and you can put them into your milk frothing, or put a couple squirts into your coffee. Right now I just want it straight black, and I'll add my cream here. So that is it. It is beautiful, if you can see that. Let me give it a stir so you can see what the coffee looks below it. So you can see the crema on top and the coffee below. Here is, when you lift this up, the pod drops down. And here is the pod holder where they fall into. And that easily comes off of the top, and it catches any kind of residuals. So you can dump that into the sink. Really easy to clean up. What I really like about it is it's quality made. Like, this is metal. It's very sturdy. And also this right here, it's going to be dripping. So it takes off as well, or you can remove it. And this comes off really easy. And you can, again, just drain that, dump it into your sink, and it just pops back on. Again, this is metal, so it's really nice. Let me finish this. So this is the cream mixture. The heavier, the thicker it is, the nicer it is. So I'm just going to pour that into the coffee, and you can just see it's just so frothy and beautiful. And then I just rinse that out. This pops off in here like that, and you make yourself a beautiful coffee.
After many years of having an espresso at home, I decided to bring one into my business, and it changed everything. Fill to the max line first. I like to froth my creamer first. It happens real quick. Lower the lever and then put my cup. I'm using the original capsules from Nespresso. I also prefer to pour in my syrup of choice before I start the machine. It's my preference, but you can go either way. The left side of the machine is the espresso button. The right side is for a longer pour. This is where the magic happens for me. I like to pour in the creamer and hold back the froth till the very end. Spread it evenly up on the top, and then give it my personalized touch for my customers. I'm using cocoa. I have a personalized stencil with my business initials. Ta-da! Just beautiful. Everyone loves it.
Let's make a cup of espresso. I'm going to pull the tab, insert a capsule, pull down the tab, push the button on the right, which is the larger cup. The water has already been heated in advance. Here is the milk frother, and here are my older machines, which I've had for a while.
Esto le doy una sola vez, ¿no?
Okay, the machine is warm. Put in a capsule. Press. It's not coming out.